Hello everybody, this is Dr. Derek Strachan here with Divine Spine Chiropractic, and welcome to this week's health tip. This week we want to talk about acute versus chronic versus permanent. Are your symptoms acute, are they chronic or permanent? Well, a lot of times when our health starts to fail us, we actually don't even know that that's happening. The body won't even give us symptoms. So an example of that would be heart disease. A lot of times people don't know they have a heart problem until they have a heart attack. So an acute scenario would be the one that's really obvious when you have some physical trauma or some chemical trauma or some emotional trauma. There's something that you know there's an event and then you have this response or the symptom that happens pretty quickly. So that would be considered acute. A chronic problem would be an example of symptoms that come and they go, but they do come back and then they go away and they come back. Or if you had an x-ray of your spine and you have some spinal degeneration or spinal decay going on, or perhaps you're getting massages to deal with some muscle pain, but it just doesn't ever go away. It keeps coming back. Or you're taking a prescription drug of some type over the counter to deal with some symptom. Those would be considered chronic issues. And then there's the permanent issue. Oftentimes how this happens is that people who are taking a drug to mask some pain for comfort are doing it over and over and over, because when they take the drug away, the pain comes back. And so are they really addressing the cause? They're not addressing the cause, because if they were, the symptoms wouldn't come back. Well, those issues do lead into permanent issues that you can reverse eventually. They have, every time you take a health or a drug, there's definitely side effects that can be associated with that, which can lead to further health problems, which can become a permanent issue. This is the reason why we really promote taking action as early as possible, because a lot of times these permanent issues could be avoided by just simply taking care of it right from the beginning. And so in chiropractic, we really promote health from within, taking responsibility for your health, taking action on a daily basis, eating well, moving well, thinking well, getting your spine checked on a regular basis so that your nervous system functions and regulates itself naturally. And so here at Divine Spine, we really promote family health care, not just for you, but for your kids and for your older people in your life. Because everyone has a spine and nervous system, and if that's not functioning properly, then your body's at risk of having illness and disease as you get older. So just remember, just because you don't have a symptom doesn't mean there isn't something going on. It's best to get checked early on, as soon as possible, so that your body can recover or stay healthy for the rest of your life, as opposed to trying to deal with the problem when it's too large of a problem to overcome, because our bodies do have limitations. So if you want to learn more on how we can serve that process, you can find us at www.divinespine.net, and make it a great day, everyone. I look forward to sharing a health tip with you next week. Take care. Bye-bye.